Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, you have not subscribed, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button. Subscribe because I'll be putting out a whole lot of channel. And if you are not yet following me on Telegram channel, I will be putting a link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. Make sure you follow me because I will be putting out a whole lot of information that is going to help you out. Definitely, you would not want to miss out those information that I will be sharing. I'm going to be sharing a whole lot of information on Telegram. So the link to my Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Follow me on Telegram and you get this news. So let's take a look at GBPUSD. Let's start with the trend first. So we can see that this is kind of like an uptrend move, right? We can also see we are trading above our 10 period simple moving average. You can see there's kind of like a bit of a cross here. Price trading above our 10 period simple moving average, also trading above our 20 period simple moving average. So clearly this is still a buy movement. So the target I will be watching out for this week is a level of 1.26471. Currently, we are trading at 1.25675, by the way. This is where the market closed. But this week, I'll be expecting GBP USD to give us a bullish move, take it a level of 1.26471 and possibly break the level. So I'll be expecting a breakout of a level of 1.26471. So that is it. GBP USD on the weekly time frame, bullish. Let's take a look at this on this daily time frame. I mean, you can clearly see that this is also an uptrend move, right? So this is kind of like a huge amount of drop that came to tap our 10th period simple moving average and the 20, then a rejection has been found. So one thing I'll be expecting, it's kind of a little bit of a bullish move upward, a correction, and boom, we will continue that impulse move. By the way, there is going to be a major news that will be released this week. I mean, if you take a look at the Fed or the interest rates on the Fed, a major news is going to be released. And if you take a look at what the Fed actually said, they said that this will be the last time they will increase interest rates, right? This May, right, first week of May, this will be the last time they'll increase interest rates, and then they can now start looking to cut down on interest rates. Do not forget that NFP will also be released this week. By the way, so there's going to be a crazy movement on GBP USD, due to the fact that major news will be released on this USD. So, I mean, it is going to, we should be very, very careful before you enter this trade. But with what I am saying, I will definitely wait for a correction. Personally, this is what I'll be doing. If I don't get that correction, personally, I will not take the trade. But if I get the correction, then I will go ahead and take this trade. And this is where I want to be getting this correction too. You can sit on the 4-hour time frame. I will just wait for GBP USD to kind of give me like a correction, come to tap a level of 1.24 around that level. Then I can now aim to go long on GBP USD. By the way, this week we will be closing bullish on GBP USD. That is a short thing. I'm speculating a bullish move on GBP USD. Though there might be some manipulation, do not forget, because major news, NFP will be released this week, interest rates will be released, and every major news, right, will be released. There's going to be a lot of volatility on this GBP USD. So watch out for it. Be very, very careful before you go ahead and jump in and trade. So that is why I want you to follow me on Telegram channel. It's because I'll be putting out a whole lot of information there. So the link to my Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Check out my comment section. You'll see the link to my Telegram channel. Follow me there.